smarts. This is 10th class mathematics. Here, show that the following points form a equilateral triangle. A0, B minus A0, C 0 A root 3, 0 A root 3, 0 A root 3. Equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So, distance AB. Distance between AB equal to the root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x1, x2, AB? x2 minus a, minus a, minus a, minus a whole square plus y2, 0, minus 0. This is equal to minus a, minus 2a whole square, minus 2a whole square root 0. This is equal minus 2a whole square, 4a square. 4a square units. Next, distance. Distance of BC. 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 0 plus a whole square plus 0 plus a whole square, a root 3 minus 0 whole square. This is equal a square plus a root 3 whole square, a square into 3, 3a square, root 3a square, root 3a square. This is equal root a square plus 3a square, 4a square. This is equal 2a whole square root 2a units. Of course, you can write this is also 2a whole square root 2a units. 2a units. Next, AC. Distance AC equal to root AC 0 minus a whole square plus a root 3 minus 0 whole square, a square plus 3a square, 4a square. This is equal to 2a units. So 2a, 2a, 2a. AB equal to BC equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC given points form equilateral triangle. So, given points form equilateral triangle. So, okay, children, copy down. So okay, children, next seventh one. So points -7, -3, and given points are two axes of parallelogram. So it's a parallelogram, a rough diagram. Here given A B C D. AB distance of AB equal to this equal to 5 plus 7 whole square, 10 plus 3 whole square. 5 plus 7, 12 square plus 13 square. 144 plus 169. Units. Three hundred 13 units. Next, AB and CD. Distance between CD 3 minus 15 whole square plus -5 minus 8 whole square. 3 minus 15, 12 minus 12 whole square plus minus 13 whole square. 144 plus minus 13, 169. Road 313 units. Next, distance of ABC. BC equal to root BC 15 minus 5 whole square, 8 minus 10 whole square. 15 minus 5 whole square, 8 minus 10 whole square. 15 minus 5, 10 square, plus 8 minus 2 whole square. 10 square 100 plus 4, 104 units. AD this is equal to root 104 units. So copy down, children. Copy down everything. Are equal. AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. AB, CD. And BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. And now to children,
10 దాడసం
ఇంకోటి చెప్తాను అవుతుంది ఇది ఒకటే కదా ఎన్ని చెప్తా నేను ముందు కూడా చెప్తాను -4 -7 and -1 2 8 5 and 5 -4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus and find its area. -4 -7 -1 2 8 5 5 -4 5 -4 -4 -7 -1 2 8 5 5 -4 rhombus means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Given A -4 -7 B -1 2 C 8 5 D 5 -4 and AB means distance between AB find children AB what is the root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus 1 plus 4 whole square plus y2 2 plus 7 is the root of minus 1 plus 4 3 square plus 9 square 3 square 9 plus 81 root 90 units. Next BC AB BC so root of 8 plus 1 whole square 5 minus 2 whole square 9 square 3 square 9 square 3 square 9 square 81 root 90 CD root of 5 minus 8 whole square minus 4 minus 5 whole square 5 minus 8 minus 3 whole square minus 9 whole square 9 plus 81 root 90. Next AD 5 plus 4 whole square minus 4 plus 7 whole square 9 square plus 3 square 81 plus 9 root 90 root 90 units. Confident children, I will continue. Here, four sides are equal. Four sides are equal. Root 90, root 90, root 90. And also diagonals. Once we check, the diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. What is the difference between properties of square and the rhombus? In a square, four sides are equal and also the diagonals are also equal. But in a rhombus, four sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. Once we check the diagonals, AC, BD, AC equal to root of AC 8 plus 4 whole square plus 5 plus 7 whole square. 8 plus 4 12 square. 5 plus 7 12 square. 144 plus 144. 288 root. Of course, liter units. And BD. So BD, another diagonal. BD equal to root BD 5 plus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 4 plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 2 6 square plus 6 minus 6 whole square 36 plus 36 root 72 units. 72. Diagonals are not equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD and AC is not equal to BD or BD is not equal to it. Therefore, given vertices form a rhombus. Rhombus. Confidentially. This is also called D1. This is D2. D1, D2. Area of rhombus equal to of D1, D2. Of D1 what? D1 288. So root 288 into D2 root 72. This equal to of root 288 root 72. 72 you can write here 9 into 8 or 9 into 36 into 2. 36 into 2. We can write this is 144 into 2. 144 into 2 root 144 12 root 2 into 6 root 2. Here 1 by 2 into 12 into root 2 into root 2 into 6. 2 cancel. 6 12 are 72. Square units. Area from the 72 square units. Competent children, and do the following. Okay children, this is for HW, and also you have to copy down what I said in this class totally. It's also you feel how to do the HW. Okay children, all what I said in this class, and in addition these two also your HW. Practice well.